Hi guys, this is Kenin and today I'm going to show you how to import a virtual machine to a Hyper-V. So let's go to the hypervisor. So here the virtual machine contains no added virtual machines or installed virtual machines. So I'm going to import a new virtual machine which was already exported from another server. So I'm going to use this option called import virtual machine. Here the wizard starts and right now I'm going to go to the next step for importing a virtual machine. So here it was asking for the imported virtual machine folder location. So I'm going to browse the folder location. So this is the imported virtual machine, that is CentOS 7 which I have. So I'm going to select the folder. So here you can see you have three folders by default which was created while exporting the virtual machine: snapshots, virtual hard disk, and the virtual machine. The snapshots folder contain all the snapshots which you have created at the time of the working condition of the virtual machine, and the virtual hard disk will contain the hard disk. Just show the exact folder here. Yeah, it will contain the virtual hard disk which was containing all the operating system files, and the virtual machines will contain the settings, the configuration files which are required for the virtual machine, that is for the Hyper-V. Here I am going to select the folder. So after selecting the folder I am going to select next. So it was saying that the CentOS 7 was the selected virtual machine which was created on 16/8/2016. So I'm going to select next. So after proceeding it will ask for the type of import which you need to mention here. So the type of import which I am going to mention is restore the virtual machine. So here you can see the register the virtual machine in place, restore the virtual machine, and copy the virtual machine. These three settings will differ because the registering will use the existing unique ID and will register all the virtual machine configuration files into the Hyper-V server. The restoring will exactly restore using the existing unique ID without registering the virtual machine in place, and this option will completely copy the virtual machine by creating a new ID from the existing server, that is a server which you have already created. So I'm going to use the restore the virtual machine here. So let's proceed, and it was asking for the storage location to store the virtual machine and the checkpoints and the paging, smart paging folders. So I'm just going to leave it as a default, so it will take a default location. So I'm going to choose the storage folder as a default which I have created already from the Hyper-V settings. So it was saying that the file, that is a hard disk which was already existed. So what I'm going to do is, so here you can see the hard disk image was already existed. I'm going to rename it as old, and let's try it now. Yeah, it has started to import the virtual machine and its configuration files. And here you can see the page files, virtual switch that are available on the destination company. Yeah, I have actually connected a NAT networking into this virtual machine, but right now I am not having the networking option in this virtual machine. So I'll just try to proceed and let's see what is happening. Yeah, it was saying that it was not connected and the description was given here. So this is the import file, the settings which contains the Hyper-V configuration files, and the import time is, the type is restoring. It was not registering on the copy. So I'll just finish. So it is copying the virtual hard disk. Let's see what's happening here. And here you can see the copy is happening actually. So it will take some time, I think so. Let's wait. The importing was actually finished, and you can see here the virtual machine was copied successfully. So let's connect to the virtual machine, and I'm going to start the virtual machine. It was taking much time. Let's see the configuration file storage location in the meantime. So here you can see the virtual hard disk image was created successfully from this place, and no configuration file was located in this place. Only we can see the virtual hard disk located here, and it was up and running. So I think this video might be helpful for you to import the virtual machine to the Hyper-V server. Thank you for watching the video. In the future I will post more videos about the Hyper-V server.